If you're looking for the modern boho look, then this stunning floral headband is a true representation of that modern boho look. It's two layers, stunning mother of pearl flowers, and we also added these tiny porcelain flowers that are embedded within the design. We have it available in silver or gold, and I actually think this would go so beautifully with these stunning porcelain flower earrings in gold. What do you think? Would you wear it on your big day? Look how gorgeous it sits together. It's fun, it's playful, it's flowy, it's very feminine, very elegant. My favorite. Check us out on Etsy. My Soulmate Wedding is the name of our shop, and we'll be thrilled to assist you.